It happens to all of us. We accidentally archive an email inside of Gmail. You can just be swiping down your Gmail app and then suddenly you accidentally swipe over on something and it archives it. So if I accidentally archived maybe this top email here, and I don't even know maybe what email I archived potentially, as long as it was a newer one, it's pretty easy to find, but it's still easy to find all of your archived emails. All you need to do is go to search right up here, and then you're going to type in is:"archived," and that's going to filter all of your mail except for the archive emails. So the archive emails will all show up. And so once you enter in that search, all of the email that you see are any emails that you have archived through time. And all that archiving is removing the inbox label. It puts it into all mail, but it's easier to find if you search for archived only, or else you're going to go through all of your mail. So you can see here that email that we had just archived is right here at the top. To unarchive email, you can tap and hold on that email, and then once it check marks, you can actually select multiple if you want to, or just a single email, and then come up to the three dots here at the top, and we're going to go to move, not label, but move. And once we go to move, we can select our inbox or wherever you want to move the email. But we can move it back to our inbox really easily. Now, it'll move it to the inbox, but it'll still kind of show it here. So we can sort of back out and go back to our inbox, and there it is. We've got those two emails that were archived back into our inbox, including the one that we accidentally archived. So that's how you can unarchive email in Gmail on your iPhone.